You can create recipes from images, a cookbook page works, your notebook, or a printed recipe card. Tap the camera and upload the photo. The app reads the name and every ingredient with its quantity. One detail: the recipe in the book serves 4. Tell it, and the quantities convert on their own to a single serving. Each ingredient is matched to your catalog, and the cost per serving comes from your real prices. The menu price? Ask the assistant. Set it to 10% tax and a 65 margin. Allergens are inherited from the products. And if you want to know where each one comes from, view details. Every line has its own selector. If the app picked wrong, you swap in the right product from your database in 2 clicks. And if you use 2 oils, add the second one to the catalog, and on the oil line, add substitute. 2 products linked to 1 ingredient. The app averages the cost between them. Prefer to type? Just as easy. New recipe, and 1 line per ingredient, like in a notebook. Quantity, unit, and name. Look at the egg. There's no product in the catalog that matches, so the line gets flagged. The recipe saves anyway. The fix without leaving the chat. Add eggs to the catalog at 25 cents each. And the line matches on its own, with its cost and its allergen. One last bit of order: folders. Create as many as you like: fish, sauces, desserts, and move each recipe from its menu. Search stays global. Folders organized, they don't hide. Recipes by photo or by hand, prices by voice, automatic allergens, and an organized menu.